Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on NMR. In today's analysis, we will once again take a look at this down channel, and I also want to show you this symmetrical triangle as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. I've shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find there. Now let's start the analysis, and first of all let me to begin with my last trade setup that I shared for my members at the Patreon in the month of June, and that was a very big harmonic bullish reversal crab move that NMR formed on the weekly time frame chart. And this was the move, and you can see we were moving at the very end of the buying zone. Therefore I told my members that it can be a very low risk and high reward trading idea. And our sell targets were, by the way, from $19.09 and goes to $30.28, and it was moving at $9.02. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price line rallied from $9.02 to $41.21. That was more than 355%, huge pump. And it is again dropped down and it's still moving between this potential reversal zone and the potential sell zone of a big harmonic bullish crab move. Now, if we take a look at the live weekly time frame chart, then we can see after this big pump, this was the pump, the price line is again moved down, and the resistance that the price line is not able to break out and it is rejected by this resistance is this one that we have at $34. Even though we had a very long spike to the upside, but you can watch the closing price here. It was closed at $17.18, so it could not break out this resistance on the weekly time frame and re-entered the same channel where it was entered here at the start of 2021 in Feb 2021. And you can see that so far it is not able to break out this resistance, and as soon it will break out this resistance, then we can expect a very big and long-term rally of NMR. Now we can see that we have a nice support here at $11.45, and this is a very strong resistance, by the way, that is at $23, and you can see the price line is not even able to break out this resistance as well, because it was closed at $17, and you can see that we are having several at the several places it is working as a nice support and resistance. Previously it was working as a support here, support here, support here, support here, and now we are having rejections by this resistance, and this is our next resistance at $34, and previously this level has been working as a very strong resistance here for several weeks or months, and here as a support and here as a resistance. Therefore now it is again working as a strong resistance. Now if we switch to the daily time frame chart, then here NMR is moving inside this symmetrical triangle, and you can see that it is reached at the very end of the triangle, and here we have several touch points at the resistance, several touch points at the support as well. And now I want to show you here the volume. Like for example, previously volume was decreased, and when we had a powerful buying volume, we had a very big move. Again, volume was decreased, and again we had a powerful buying volume, and we had another powerful pump. Same as like that, you can see that the volume is again very decreased, and we are at the very end of this triangle. Now for example, if there will be a powerful buying volume once again like we had here, then it can break out this triangle, and in case of breaking out this triangle, our target can be here. That will be $37. So it is showing that the projection that after breaking out this daily triangle, it can also break out this weekly channel and also try to break out this $34 resistance on the weekly time frame chart as well. And our final target, by the way, for this down channel after the breakout will be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at $88 to $90. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading ideas, you can also support me and join me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. I've shared the links to join me there in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.